Hey guys, so I wanted to do a quick intro for this eyebrow kind of product tutorial type video, okay? I fitted it in. Is that how you say that? I kind of stuck it in between the Get Ready With Me that I did for this look and doing my brows because I really enjoy this product, and I wanted to put it out there. It's a very quick video. I'm just showing you how I use it, the tools that I use with it, and it is the Kat Von D Super Brow Pomade. And so I just wanted to show y'all how I use it because I've been using it non-stop for the last 2 weeks since I got it. It's probably almost been 3 weeks. I've been using it non-stop. It is life. It is bae. It is everything. Okay. So here's how I use it, and y'all, I'm just showing y'all how I do one brow. Everything else that I do for my brow is the exact same, and that tutorial is linked down below, and I'll be linking it in the video somewhere. Okay. So alright guys, I will talk to y'all later. Bye. Alright guys, so the whole purpose of this video, as I said in the intro, is to show y'all this new brow product. This makeup look that you see now will be on another video. I have it linked above. Okay, there we go. Alright, so Kat Von D came out with a brow pomade. Focus. There we go. And I've been using it, y'all. I've been using it. So I'll link my previous brow video above. Everything still stands. I still do my brows basically the same way. The only thing that has changed is the product. All right, so this product is, it's gel. It's not so much cream, it's more gel, but not liquidy, if that makes sense. It's not as solid as, say, an ABH pomade. It's more gel type, but it's not as liquidy as the Beauty Bakery brow pomade, if you've used that. Okay, and I have the color walnut. All right, so what I like to do, I like to go in with it with a paintbrush. This is just from your regular Michaels or Joann's, Hobby Lobby's, wherever you want to go and get it, but it's very thin, so I hope y'all can see how thin that is. Right, it's super thin. Go in, get a little bit of product on the top, and then I take the cap and kind of just push it in and just get very minimal amount. All right, so I hope y'all can see because I'm off kilter, and you just sketch out your brows how you like it. So I always do one line and then I do the top. All right, and then I'll go back into the product that I have on the cap. Now this color is very dark. All right, it is very dark, and I'm thinking about getting another shade just to add a little bit of dimension to the brow because it is so dark. But I've been wearing black hair recently, and so it works with my black wigs. Then you just extend your tail wherever you want to extend it, and I'm just going in and filling in the color where I feel like needs to be filled in, but I'm leaving the beginning of my brow because this pomade, or whatever you want to call it, is the best for doing hair-like strokes. Okay, so I take a very small paintbrush. Okay, got this at Michael's also, very thin. Get it, and I rub it in, coat all angles of it. Get the cap, rub that in, and then I take it and I do hair-like strokes at the beginning of my brow to kind of give my brow that kind of feather look. I'm trying to, the way I have my camera set up right now, y'all are off to the side and my mirror is like right here, so I'm trying to be in the camera but in the mirror at the same time. You see how that makes just a line? Like, ugh. It's so creamy that you're able to really get in there and do the hair-like strokes. And you want to make sure you keep if you're doing the hair-like strokes with the small paintbrush, you keep your brush kind of loaded. And this is why I say I think I want a lighter color, because coming at the beginning of my brow with such a dark color, and I mean, not every single time are you gonna have, you know, the best the best kind of gradient or wipe off, at least. So if I had a lighter color, it would be an easier fade or whatever. So you just go in and wherever you feel like you need an extra hair stroke or two, you put it in, and then with my angle brush, I'll go in through the rest of my brow and kind of fade in whatever needs to be faded. So I wait till the pomade is a little drier, it's dried down a bit, before I go in and do any kind of spooling or anything like that, just because otherwise it would kind of mess up, and especially at the beginning I wouldn't have as much hair-like stroke definition, right? So I just go in and I fix, like if there's a, what's the word? If there's like a, I don't know the word, y'all. If there's too much product in one place, you can always go in with your brush and literally just take the tip and that's what she said. Take the tip and just flick it, okay? I'm going to finish my other brow, and I will link the makeup tutorial that this will be in, but I just wanted to show y'all just a quick video of how to use this new Kat Von D brow product and just how awesome it is. And I think once I get the darker color, it will be, or the lighter color to like do the gradient, it's just gonna be everything, okay? All right, so I will talk to y'all later. Bye.